Hey friends, I have Manuscripts here and I wanted to go through my new monthly B6 planners. So these are daily planners. They are available through my shop and through Amazon, and they are B6 sized with 1 month of daily dated pages. So I was looking for something that would fit in my B6 planner. I like using the Planner Society, and I wanted something because I switch formats a lot and I don't always know what I want, but I know I want daily pages. So something I could like throw in my purse, that kind of thing. So I decided to design my own and keep it to 1 month because planner girls, we like to change it up a lot and we don't want to have lots of undated stuff or backdated stuff, that kind of thing. So I thought 1 month would be good for trying it out. So just to take a look at it, this has a painty cover. This month it also comes in yellow, like a goldenrod yellow. I already have this in my planner because I'm already excited to use it, but they're exactly the same on the inside. So you open it up in March 2020. There's some dot grid along with the copyright information, a really super small monthly grid. I want to be able to keep it on one page. Notes pages, and then it starts with the first spread. So it's Sunday, the date, and then this is for times, or you can rate priorities, whatever you'd like. So lots of like note-taking space. Don't forget to do end notes. And this is the same for every single day, all the way through the end of March. So let's flip to the back. In the back there are reflection pages. So what worked well this month, what needed improvement, what goals do you have for next month, and then space to journal all of that or keep notes. And then there's also some dot grid in the back as well. So all of these are 60 pages, and like I said, they're B6 size, which is about 5 by 7. And I'm super excited to see what you guys do with these, and if you like them, I will continue creating them for all of the other months. So can't wait to see how I'm going to be setting it up. So be sure to like check back to see how it all comes together in my B6, because I'm using the Planner Society, the January kit, I believe. And so this matches really well with that. So can't wait to see what you do. Bye-bye.